always lose track of days. Thursday, December 10th, I believe. And I've been just editing and working all morning, so I really haven't been vlogging. I have some Christmas minis that I'm trying to get done and edited for Saturday, so I've just been working. Nothing really exciting, but yeah, I just wanted to say hey and let's get the day started. My cabinets because they're pretty messy, and then I forgot like, oh, I should be vlogging this. So this is what we're working with. In this little house that we live in, there's really not much storage for food, so our pantry is kind of like these shelves, and then we keep some stuff right here. I went through and I did all the cans. Come on, buddy. There we go. So I have all my canned foods right here. I'm getting like the pastas and rices right here on the bottom shelf. Guys, I just found this. It's cinnamon bun spread. Ooh, it's from Trader Joe's. I've never even opened it. I should probably use it. A rich, gooey honey butter based spread with cinnamon bun spices. I should use this. Alright, everybody, we have all the stuff kind of out here on the countertop. Now we're going to organize it into these cabinets and make it all nice. So let's do that. Alright, guys, this is the finished organization. Still honestly not the most organized, but like the best right now I could do because I don't have that much space. Kind of have like pastas and then like hot sauces and then canned goods, and then this like whole one is like baking, and then some more baking up there, like flowers and chocolate chips and stuff, and then like there's pancake mix and peanut butter powder and blueberry mix up here. So yeah, that's the system we got going. We have arrived at Target.
Somebody's arrived.
We are here to do some grocery shopping. Ooh, you just like cut off that.
Did it? I thought I was going fast enough. So.
No, it's okay. I'm sorry. We just left Target and we got the groceries. We saw our neighbors, and now we're headed home. Actually, we're not headed home. We had to go to the Mexican market still. Also, we could not find top ramen at Target. I don't understand how that was happened. Like, even the worker couldn't find it, so that's unfortunate. Look how pretty the sky is, though. Ooh. Guys, the sunset has gotten better. Look how pretty it is. So gorgeous. Alright guys, we are in Noodles and Company. This is I've been here before, but it's been years. Ian's never been here.
I gotta say, walking in, it smells pretty good. We'll see. I got the spicy Korean beef. It was either that or the grilled chicken lo mein, orange chicken lo mein, and we'll see. I'm pretty hopeful. We got some pot stickers to share, see how that is. And of course, they had water, so I was pretty impressed with that.
Actually, these cups are really cute though. Look at the cups. Aren't they cute?
Oh, they're different.
They're cute and festive.
Alright guys, well, let me know if you guys like me taking over Jaclyn's channel. Let me know if you think we should just turn this into an all Ian channel and just kick Jaclyn on out of here, okay?
Alright guys, so I have been just editing and working on a video on VLOGMAS, and then I have some pictures I've been working on, but I'm gonna take a little bit of a break because we have some friends coming over and we're gonna watch Harry Potter, so I'm super excited. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog for today, and thank you so much for watching. Seriously appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will see you later. Bye. So it is 6:09 on Friday and I literally have not touched the camera at all today. I haven't got even dressed for the day. I'm literally in a robe because I've been working and editing all day long, guys. But I wanted to take a little break and document some stuff. I know I'm gonna be making dinner probably within the next couple hours for Ian and I when he gets home from work. Got some essential oils in the mail today from my other job I do. I work for this couple and they sell essential oils, and she just sent me a package because I shoot product for them, and I wanted to make like a little peppermint lip scrub. First off, it's the holiday season, so peppermint's the best, and I always just in general love peppermint, so I decided why not make a peppermint lip scrub. Plus my lips have been so dry. My hands are insanely dry. Let me show you this. It's so bad. Okay, do you guys see the crusting in between my fingers? Oh my goodness. Alright guys, welcome back to Jaclyn's DIY show. Ta-da! Okay, so today we are going to be making a peppermint lip scrub because it's wintertime and we all have dry lips. So what we're going to need is some coconut oil, we got some honey, got some sugar, last but not least we got our peppermint essential oil. This one's just the doTERRA brand. And then we need like some type of container to put the lip scrub in. Unfortunately, I don't have the best container, so I used my resources and I found an unused contact case, and I was like, you know what, we got 2 little small lip scrubs on each side because shoot. Let's start with the DIY. We're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Next thing is 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, a teaspoon of honey. Honey in the jar. We're gonna do 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. 1, 2, 3. Maybe that was a little bit more. It wasn't coming out like I hoped. That was my first time using oil, so I don't know. Now we're gonna mix it all together until it blends well. This is what it looks like after you've blended it, and now we're gonna transfer it into our little container. Have now packaged our lip scrub in our little thing. Honestly, like perfect amount for just a contact case. Like there's a little bit of excess, but like honestly such a perfect amount. We now need to test it out to make sure that the lip scrub actually works. So these are my lips. We're gonna put the little lip scrub on. Right, so honest thoughts on it. I think I need to let it set for a little bit longer. I used the product immediately after I made it, so I feel like if it set a little bit longer, it would be a little better, because when I put the product on my lips, it was like, it turned basically to oil because the coconut oil in it like didn't set long enough. I was able to get some of the sugar on my lips and like kind of scrubbed it. And it made my lips feel very smooth. The peppermint is a good scent. It feels good, and it like kind of like has a little tingling sensation, which I really like. You know what? Good. A for effort. Easy to make. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. We are about to make some dinner. We're gonna have some creamy tomato and spinach pasta. All right, guys. This is our midnight dinner. So it's like a tomato spinach pasta, so we'll see how it tastes. Just pretty good. Well, we're gonna watch a movie and eat our dinner, so that's gonna end today's vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everybody. We are in the bathroom today. I am getting ready for the day because I'm about to leave to go model for a winter kind of ice queen shoot. We have multiple models that are going. They're gonna do my makeup. I just need to curl my hair, so we're gonna start curling our hair, so let's do that. Hair is done, and I'm gonna just make breakfast, and then I gotta leave in the next 20 minutes, and we'll be on our way, guys. It's really snowy outside. First bite. That's good. Alright, guys. Whoa. Oh my goodness. It is snowy. I think I made it, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure this, I'm typing the group message to see if this is the right building. Hopefully it is. It was a little difficult to find. But yeah, we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna get my makeup done and I will see you guys then. Makeup. I got some purple eyeshadow, some beads. The look we're going for is like a sugar plum fairy kind of wintry vibe. So yeah, I think she did a really good job with the makeup. And then I got the dress on. It's just like a sparkly sequin on top and then this fabric on the bottom. But yeah, I'll get some behind the scenes of the shoot, guys. I am super excited. We're going to Antelope Island, which I've never been to, and there's like bison that roam the island. So it'll be really cool to go there. So yeah, I'm super excited. Cold, guys. I'm so cold and it's very windy, but this is what's happening. Antelope Island is so beautiful. Shoot is over and that was so cold. I've never been more cold in my life. I'm not even kidding. I literally thought I was gonna die or get frostbite. And now I'm so hungry. I'm in the Carl's Jr. parking lot because it was like the closest food next to me. And I'm just so cold. And my toes are like numb. But I'm hungry and my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna eat some food and go home. And anyways, I think that's gonna be it for this vlog and I will see you guys later. Bye! It's a new day and a new vlog. Let's do this. So it's a bit later and I am just chilling, working on my laptop, getting some stuff done and watching the originals on Netflix. I cleaned the house and we're having some friends, meaning like more family and close friends, over tonight for some gingerbread houses. So we're super excited. We got all the candy last night. I'll show you guys all the goods. All right, so this is what we got for the gingerbread houses. We got some Mike and Ike's, we got some Skittles, some M&Ms, some Lifesaver gummies, some mini marshmallows, some sour strings, some Rolos and caramel kisses. Ooh, that looks so good. Some Twizzlers, which obviously you can see I've taken a couple. Just have some cream cheese frosting, graham crackers. So I'm super excited. We're gonna make some gingerbread houses. Having a contest between the 3 couples that are gonna be here to see who could build the best gingerbread house. So I'll help you guys vote at the end when you see all of them, which house is the best. Look at all this good candy we have for our gingerbread houses. They're gonna be so yummy. I'm so excited. Alright guys, this is the finished house. We got little trees, a little wreath, marshmallows and little ornaments, and a little cute bow to top it all off. So these are the finished gingerbread houses. Everyone just left, so I just wanted to quickly document them before they go in the trash because they left them in scene. But anyways, these are the houses. Comment down below which one is your guys' favorite. Well, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys later. Bye.